ngeke vele uwele nje hayi sengiwelile. Uzongena through test. Amen. Uzongena through test. That's how you learn ukuthi uNkulunkulu is not just uNkulunkulu othando, but he is too powerful. Therefore his tests seemingly abhlungu kakhulu kunama-test ongawathola kwisitha, because isitha mangabe sikutesta suke sifuna ukungena esonweni, uNkulunkulu mangabe efuna ukutesta suke sifuna ukukhula ekukholweni. These are two differences. Shothi mangabe ugain amandla ekukholweni, mangabe ujima kuhlungu ukujima, mangabe ungena amandla laphana ubhekana netest, uNkulunkulu wants ukuthi le test ikhiphe wena ustronger. But usathane mangabe efuna ukungena esonweni, ufuna isono sik-overwhelm. This is why sebenzisa temptation. uNkulunkulu never uses temptation, usebenzisa situation. Into ezihlukile lezi. uNkulunkulu usebenzisa indawo kuyona, but usathane usebenzisa izinto angayibamba ezingaheha ekutheni wenza into njengokubulala umuntu, njengokulala nomuntu, njengokuphuza utshwala. Uyakutempt usathane, will tempt you. Wena ku-TV ubona i-advert